Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a frozen account with Discover, beginner guide step by step clearly. If your Discover account is frozen, start by visiting the Discover website. Log into your account using your credentials. Check for any alerts or messages on your account dashboard. If you see a notification about your account being frozen, read it carefully for specific reasons. Next, locate the customer service section on the home page. You will find various contact options, including phone, chat, and email. Choose the method that works best for you. If you prefer to call, look for the customer service phone number. Prepare your account information for verification. When connected to a representative, explain the situation clearly. Ask for the reason your account is frozen. Follow their instructions closely to resolve the issue. If the freeze is due to suspicious activity, be ready to confirm recent transactions. If additional verification is needed, cooperate fully with their requests. Once you've provided all necessary information, ask how long the resolution will take. Keep a record of your conversation for future reference. After the representative confirms the unfreezing, log back into your account. Confirm that your account is now accessible. Monitor your account closely for any further alerts or issues. Consider reviewing your recent transactions for any unauthorized charges. If the problem persists, repeat the steps or request further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.